WhatsApp has emerged as a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, providing users with unique opportunities to monetize their networks. To begin, choose a niche that resonates with your interests and has profitable affiliate programs available. Next, sign up for reputable affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche, ensuring they offer appealing products or services. Once registered, create a compelling WhatsApp group or broadcast list to share valuable content and product recommendations with your audience. Engage with your audience regularly through informative messages, tips, and exclusive offers to build trust and maintain interest. Utilize eye-catching visuals and persuasive language in your messages to effectively showcase the benefits of the products you're promoting. Incentivize your audience by offering limited-time discounts or bonuses, encouraging them to take immediate action on your recommendations. Monitor your performance by tracking clicks and conversions to understand which strategies resonate best with your audience. Finally, continuously refine your approach based on feedback and results, adapting your strategies to enhance engagement and profitability over time. In 2025, businesses will harness the power of WhatsApp to transform their e-commerce strategies, creating seamless shopping experiences for customers. By integrating artificial intelligence, sellers will provide personalized recommendations directly through chat, enhancing customer engagement. Utilizing WhatsApp's payment features, transactions will become swift and secure, enabling customers to complete purchases with just a few taps. Moreover, businesses will leverage multimedia content, sharing videos and images that showcase products in action to entice potential buyers. To foster community and loyalty, brands will create exclusive groups where customers can share reviews and experiences, turning buyers into advocates. Additionally, sellers will implement efficient follow-up strategies, utilizing automated reminders and updates to keep customers informed about new arrivals and promotions. Finally, data analytics will play a crucial role, allowing businesses to track customer interactions and preferences to refine their marketing approaches continuously. In this evolving landscape, authenticity will be key, as customers will seek genuine connections and real-time interactions with brands they trust. In 2025, leveraging WhatsApp as a service platform involves creating an engaging business profile that clearly outlines the services offered. Next, it's essential to utilize automated messages to respond to inquiries promptly and efficiently, ensuring customers feel valued. Incorporating multimedia elements such as images, videos, and voice notes can enhance communication and showcase services effectively. Offering personalized responses by addressing customers by name can create a more intimate and trustworthy interaction. To drive engagement regularly, sharing updates, promotions, and tips related to your services keeps customers informed and interested. Utilizing WhatsApp's status feature allows businesses to share time-sensitive information or promotions in a visually appealing way. Encouraging customer feedback through surveys or direct messages helps to refine services and foster a sense of community. Finally, integrating payment solutions directly within WhatsApp can streamline transactions, making it easier for customers to complete their purchases. By analyzing chat interactions and customer preferences, businesses can tailor their services to better meet the needs of their audience. In the digital age, creating and selling online courses has become an accessible venture for many, and with the popularity of WhatsApp, this platform offers a unique way to reach learners directly. The first step in this journey is to identify a niche that you are passionate about and that has a demand among potential learners. Once you have your niche, outline the course content to ensure it is structured and engaging for your audience. Next, create high-quality materials such as videos, PDFs, and quizzes to enhance the learning experience for your students. After preparing your materials, you can utilize WhatsApp groups to facilitate discussions and share resources with your students. Promoting your course effectively through social media and word of mouth will help attract interested learners to join your WhatsApp community. As your course begins, actively engage with your students by answering questions and providing feedback to ensure a supportive learning environment. Finally, gather feedback from your students after the course ends to improve future offerings and increase customer satisfaction. With the insights gained from feedback, refine your course content and marketing strategies to enhance the overall learning experience for future students. WhatsApp has emerged as a powerful platform for creating paid promotions and shoutouts, offering users a direct way to reach their target audience. To start, identify your niche and understand the audience you want to reach through your promotions. Next, create compelling content that resonates with your audience and highlights the value of your product or service. Once your content is ready, utilize WhatsApp business features to showcase your offerings effectively, such as setting up a catalog. Engage with potential customers by sharing your promotions in relevant WhatsApp groups or through direct messages to interested contacts. Additionally, consider collaborating with influencers in your niche who can share your promotions with their followers on WhatsApp. Finally, track the performance of your campaigns through analytics tools to refine your strategy and maximize engagement over time. Implement customer feedback and adjust your promotional tactics based on what resonates most with your audience. By consistently providing value and maintaining open communication, you can build lasting relationships with your audience through WhatsApp. Ultimately, the key to successful paid promotions on WhatsApp lies in authenticity and genuine engagement with your community. WhatsApp TV status monetization offers a unique opportunity for creators to share content while earning income through engagement and sponsorships. To begin, you need to build a substantial following by consistently sharing high-quality and engaging content on your WhatsApp status. Once your audience grows, consider collaborating with brands that align with your content to create sponsored posts. Engage your audience by asking for feedback and encouraging interaction, which increases visibility and attracts potential sponsors. Utilize eye-catching visuals and engaging storytelling to capture your audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. Track your performance using WhatsApp's analytics to understand what content resonates most with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Finally, maintain authenticity and be transparent with your audience about sponsored content to build trust and long-term relationships. By consistently delivering value and connecting with your followers, you'll not only enhance your reputation, but also unlock new monetization opportunities. As you grow, consider diversifying your income streams by promoting affiliate products or offering exclusive content for a subscription fee. WhatsApp is set to revolutionize dropshipping businesses in 2025, offering new features and capabilities to enhance communication and streamline operations. First, businesses can utilize WhatsApp business accounts to create a professional presence and engage directly with customers. Next, the catalog feature enables dropshippers to showcase their products visually, allowing customers to browse offerings seamlessly. Additionally, automated messaging tools can be leveraged to respond to frequently asked questions, providing instant support to customers. Moreover, utilizing group chats for team collaboration enhances coordination among suppliers, logistics, and customer service. Finally, by integrating payment features directly within WhatsApp, dropshippers can facilitate smooth transactions without leaving the app. Emphasizing customer feedback through WhatsApp can help build trust and improve product offerings based on direct responses. Lastly, leveraging WhatsApp for personalized marketing campaigns can significantly enhance customer engagement and encourage repeat purchases. By analyzing conversation metrics and engagement rates, businesses can refine their strategies for better outreach and customer satisfaction. In the digital landscape of 2025, mastering WhatsApp for network marketing is essential to reach wider audiences and build meaningful connections. First, open WhatsApp and navigate to the Chats tab, where you can easily start conversations with potential clients. Next, create engaging group chats to foster discussions and share valuable resources among your network. Utilize the broadcast feature to send personalized messages to multiple contacts without creating a group chat. Incorporate multimedia content such as videos and images to make your messages more engaging and informative. Don't forget to leverage WhatsApp status to share updates and insights with your audience, creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Engage with your audience by responding promptly to inquiries and encouraging feedback, which builds trust and fosters strong relationships. Finally, analyze your interactions and results through WhatsApp's insights to refine your strategies and improve future outreach efforts. By continuously adapting your approach and staying updated with WhatsApp's features, you can effectively grow your network marketing business in 2025. Remember, authenticity is key. Share your personal journey and success stories to inspire others and create a relatable brand image. Freelancing offers a unique opportunity to work from anywhere, and WhatsApp has become a powerful tool for marketing these services effectively. By leveraging WhatsApp's instant messaging features, freelancers can quickly communicate with potential clients and showcase their portfolios. Creating dedicated WhatsApp groups can facilitate networking among freelancers and help in exchanging valuable resources. Utilizing WhatsApp status to share updates about services or successful projects can attract new clients and keep current ones engaged. Offering personalized communication through voice messages can build rapport with clients, making transactions smoother and more trustworthy. Incorporating multimedia elements like images and videos into chats can effectively showcase work samples and capture client interest. Establishing clear communication regarding project timelines and expectations through WhatsApp can prevent misunderstandings and foster better client relationships. Gathering feedback through WhatsApp can help freelancers improve their services and adapt to client needs effectively. Finally, using WhatsApp to follow up with clients after project completion can lead to repeat business and valuable referrals. To successfully create and sell digital and physical products in a WhatsApp group, start by identifying your target audience and understanding their needs. Next, curate a collection of products that resonate with your audience, ensuring they add real value. Once you have your products ready, craft compelling descriptions and visuals that highlight their benefits and features. Now, create an engaging promotional message to share in your WhatsApp group, enticing members to check out your offerings. Encourage interaction by asking group members to share their thoughts or questions about the products, fostering a sense of community. To facilitate easy purchasing, provide clear instructions on how members can order the products directly through the group chat. Finally, build trust by sharing testimonials or reviews from previous customers to highlight the quality of your products. Encourage repeat business by offering exclusive deals or discounts to group members, making them feel valued and appreciated. Regularly update the group with new product launches or relevant content to keep the conversation lively and engaging. Lastly, analyze the feedback and sales data to refine your strategies, ensuring that your offerings evolve with the needs of your audience. In today's fast-paced digital world, WhatsApp Business features can transform your customer interaction with automated responses and product catalogs. Quick replies allow you to engage with customers instantly, streamlining communication like never before. Utilizing labels for organization makes it easy to manage customer inquiries and keep track of important conversations. Implementing these features not only enhances professionalism, but also boosts your profitability, making your business stand out. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos on optimizing your business. Together, we can explore the many ways to leverage technology and drive your business forward in this digital age. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies that will empower you to make the most of your business tools and improve customer satisfaction. Remember, with the right tools at your disposal, you can create lasting connections with your customers and ensure their needs are met efficiently. Embrace the power of WhatsApp Business features and watch your engagement levels soar as you streamline operations and enhance customer experience.